What's the most important tool you can carry into the wilderness? For many, it's a trusty bushcraft knife. But with so many options, how do you find one that's reliable, capable, and doesn't cost a fortune? You've come to the right place. Welcome to our definitive guide for the new year, where we count down the top 10 best bushcraft knives you can get for under $100 in 2026. We're talking about blades that deliver serious performance for carving, firecraft, shelter building, and more. Let's get into the countdown. Number 10. Morakniv Bushcraft Black. For anyone beginning their bushcraft journey, the Morakniv Bushcraft Black is the perfect and almost mandatory starting point. This Swedish-made knife distills the essentials of a bushcraft tool into a simple, affordable, and incredibly effective package. Its 4.3-inch blade is made from high-carbon steel, which is renowned for taking a phenomenally sharp, durable edge that's relatively easy to maintain in the field with a simple stone. The true bushcraft pedigree shows in the blade grind, a pure Scandinavian grind that bites aggressively into wood, making tasks like feather sticking and notch carving intuitive and effective. Morakniv thoughtfully grinds the spine to a sharp 90-degree angle, perfect for throwing a shower of sparks from a ferrocerium rod to ignite your tinder. While it uses a classic, cost-effective partial tang construction, where the steel doesn't run the full length of the handle, it's more than robust enough for 95% of bushcraft tasks. The rubberized handle provides a secure, ergonomic grip in all conditions, and it comes with a durable plastic sheath. For its price, the Mora Bushcraft Black offers an unbeatable introduction to quality tools, proving you don't need to spend big to get serious performance. Number 9. Schrade Frontier SCHF52. When your bushcraft tasks lean towards the heavier side, processing firewood, clearing brush, or building a shelter, the Schrade Frontier SCHF52 is your budget-friendly workhorse. This is a large, formidable knife built around a substantial 7-inch blade made from 1095 high-carbon steel, a classic choice known for its toughness and ability to withstand impact. The blade features a modified drop-point shape with a sturdy spine and a hollow grind that gives it a surprisingly keen, cutting edge for its size. Where this knife becomes an exceptional value is in its complete kit. It doesn't just come with a basic sheath. It includes a multi-pocket nylon sheath system that houses not only the knife, but also a built-in ferrocerium rod for fire starting and a diamond sharpening stone. This means for one low price, you get a full woods-ready system. The textured thermoplastic rubber handle ensures a solid grip, and the full tang construction means you can batten through wrist-thick logs with confidence. It's not a precision carver, but as a primary tool for heavy-duty camp chores and preparation, the SCHF52 delivers immense capability. Number 8. Gerber Arrui 10. Hailing from the renowned knife-making region of Toledo, Spain, the Gerber Arrui 10 proves that a budget-friendly bushcraft knife can also be a thing of beauty and refined performance. This knife excels in precision tasks. Its roughly 4-inch blade is crafted from 420 stainless steel, which offers excellent corrosion resistance, a key feature for processing game or working in damp environments. The blade features a versatile flat grind that transitions to a secondary bevel, creating an edge that is a superb slicer. This makes it ideal for detailed carving, preparing tinder, skinning game, and general camp cookery. The handle is where artistry meets ergonomics, crafted from attractive and durable olive wood that develops a rich patina over time, giving it a traditional, warm feel in the hand. It comes with a quality leather sheath that ages alongside the knife. While it can handle light battening, the Arrui 10's true calling is in controlled, fine cutting work. For the bushcrafter who appreciates craftsmanship, natural materials, and a tool that performs beautifully on detailed tasks, the Gerber Arrui 10 is a standout choice. Number 7. Mora Kansbol. The Mora Kansbol represents a brilliant piece of functional design, solving a common problem for outdoorsmen: how to have one knife that excels at both woodcraft and camp cooking. Morakniv's answer is the innovative 3-4 grind. The first 2/3 of the blade, near the handle, feature a robust Scandinavian grind. This is your woodworking zone, perfect for powerful carving, feather sticking and striking a ferro rod with a 90-degree ground spine. As the blade sweeps toward the tip, it transitions to a much thinner, flat grind. This section is a slicing superstar, gliding through food, rope, and other materials with minimal resistance. Made from Swedish stainless steel, it's highly resistant to rust and easy to maintain. The textured, ergonomic handle provides a secure grip wet or dry, and the knife comes with a multi-mount sheath system for versatile carry options. Weighing very little, the Kansbol is the ultimate lightweight, do-it-all companion for hiking, fishing, and camping where you need a single tool to handle a diverse range of tasks efficiently. Number 6. Gerber Principle. The blade is made from 420HC stainless steel, treated with Gerber's proprietary heat process for a balance of edge retention and toughness. Its full Scandinavian grind is a wood-carving laser, allowing for incredible control in detailed tasks. The design is thoughtful for bushcraft techniques. The full tang construction is exposed at the pommel for use as a striking surface, and the handle is shaped to facilitate secure pinch, hammer, and chest lever grips. The real standout is the sheath, a robust, injection-molded polymer sheath with Gerber's EvoCheck retention system. It offers instant, tool-less adjustment for vertical or horizontal carry and is mall-compatible. For the minimalist, the ultralight hiker, or someone who wants a discreet yet extremely capable American-made bushcraft knife as a backup or primary EDC, the Principle is a top-tier contender. Number 5. Offgrid Knives Tracker X3. This is a substantial tool built around a 5.5-inch blade made from cryogenically treated D2 tool steel. D2 is known for exceptional wear resistance and edge retention, meaning it will stay sharp through long, demanding trips. The blade features a full flat grind, which provides a great balance of slicing ability and strength for chopping and battening. The handle is crafted from contoured and aggressively textured G10, a material that offers an absolutely secure, non-slip grip in any weather condition, whether wet, muddy, or cold. The full tang construction provides total confidence during heavy use. It comes with a durable, click retention Kydex sheath that offers a secure fit and easy resheathing. The Tracker X3 is for the bushcrafter or survival enthusiast who anticipates needing to process larger amounts of wood, build substantial shelters, or simply wants an overbuild tool that feels indestructible in the hand for any task. Number 4. BPS Knives HK5 Adventurer. This is a full tang, traditional bushcraft knife with a generous 5.1-inch blade made from 1066 carbon steel. The blade comes impressively sharp with a classic Scandinavian grind that is ready for woodworking right out of the box. The handle is crafted from beautiful, oiled walnut wood that is both comfortable and provides a warm, traditional feel. It includes a sturdy, handmade leather sheath with a dangler attachment for comfortable carry. The trade-off for its phenomenal value is that 1066 carbon steel requires more attentive care to prevent rust. Keeping it clean, dry, and lightly oiled is a must. But for the bushcrafter who wants the heft, balance, and feel of a handcrafted, full tang tool without the custom price tag, the BPS 5 Hong Kong dollars is arguably the best pure value on the market today. Number 3. Buck Knives Selkirk, a knife designed for comfort and all-day usability. The 4.625-inch blade is made from Buck's reliable 420HC stainless steel, known for its good corrosion resistance and the company's famous edge-holding heat treat. The blade utilizes a full flat grind, making it an exceptionally good slicer for food prep, feather sticking, and general camp tasks. The true brilliance of the Selkirk is in its handle. Made from laminated brown micarta, a resin-infused canvas material, it is virtually impervious to water and weather. The handle has a tall, oval cross-section that fills the palm perfectly, distributing pressure and reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. It comes with a versatile taco-style Kydex sheath that can be configured for multiple carry positions. For the hiker, camper, or bushcrafter who values a comfortable, secure grip during long carving sessions or multi-day trips, the Buck Selkirk is a wonderfully refined and dependable tool. Number 2. Condor Tool and Knife Swamp Romper. The Condor Swamp Romper is a beautiful fusion of traditional craftsmanship and modern performance. Handmade in El Salvador, it features a 4.5-inch blade of 1075 high-carbon steel. The grind is where Condor's skill shows. It's a refined, thinner Scandinavian grind that transitions smoothly into a convex edge near the apex. This creates a blade that is incredibly slicey and aggressive in wood, making it a dream for detailed carving, crafting traps, and creating feather sticks. The handle is made from rich, durable walnut wood, and it comes with a classic leather sheath that develops character over time. Like all carbon steels, it requires maintenance to prevent rust, but many see this patina as part of the knife story. The Swamp Romper isn't the thickest battening tool, but for the pure, joyful act of carving and the detailed side of bushcraft, it offers a level of fit, finish, and cutting performance that feels far beyond its price point. Number 1. Mora Garberg, and now, our number 1 pick for the best bushcraft knife under $100 in 2026, the Mora Garberg. The Garberg takes the legendary, field-proven Mora design philosophy, simple, ergonomic, incredibly sharp, and builds it around a bomb-proof, full-tang skeletonized chassis. This means the single piece of Sandvik 14C28 in stainless steel runs the entire length of the knife, making it immensely strong for battening, prying, within reason, and general hard use. The 4.25-inch blade features Mora's iconic and highly effective Scandinavian grind. The spine is ground to a sharp 90-degree angle for ferocious sparking with a ferro rod, and the exposed steel pommel can be used as an improvised hammer. It strikes the perfect balance, offering superior toughness and corrosion resistance. Available with several sheath options, including a superb multi-mount system, it's a modular tool ready for any pack or belt. The Garberg is the one knife under $100 that feels like a true buy-it-for-life tool. It's the gold standard of accessible, reliable bushcraft performance, ready for any adventure you can throw at it.